by the way you stare.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Brittany of the Brittany Christina collection, and this channel focuses on luxury, fashion, home decor, and entrepreneurship. So if you are interested in any of those things, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave me a comment. I would love to stay connected with you. All right, y'all, so in today's video, we are gonna start a new home decor series. I'm so excited. Okay, we are gonna do a mini hallway makeover. I walk through this particular hallway every single day, and one day I was just like, you know what? It's giving boring. Like we need to zhuzh it up a little bit. Okay, so in today's video specifically, we are going to be doing a DIY gallery wall. So gallery walls are just an easy way to spruce up any type of blank wall space that you have in your home. So I thought it would be great to kind of start here and to see the hallway evolve. So first, I'm gonna just give you guys just a quick little mini tour of what the space looks like that we're gonna be updating, and then we'll go ahead and get into the gallery wall. But please subscribe because I will be dropping these videos over the next couple of weeks, so you don't wanna miss the final reveal, okay? Let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, guys, this is my office. This is another bedroom or my design studio. And this is the wall right here. So this is on the second level leading up to, the third level. This is where I am going to put the gallery wall. So I'm super excited, okay? There's a lot of space here. And this is actually what I got. So let me turn this, it's heavy. Okay, so this is the set of 9 frames. I got this from HomeSense, and I've gone into Home Goods, I've gone into TJ Maxx, I've gone into Marshalls. It seems like all of those stores have these pre-packaged frames for for doing gallery walls, which I really love, because going and buying individual frames for the size that I need is expensive. It's expensive, and I'm so appreciative of these pre-packaged frames because I get a good deal on it. Okay, I knew I wanted 9 picture frames on this wall within my gallery wall, and this is a set of 9. Okay, and it was $59, as you can see, but I am super excited for this. So let's go ahead and get started and get this up on the wall. So what I really liked about this kit is that it actually came with a template that you can do that makes it super easy to put this up, because all of the frames on this template are evenly spaced. So instead of me taking a ruler and trying to figure out how to do this myself, it was already done for me. So this made this process super easy. I actually went and I decided to put up the gallery wall light, which I purchased on Amazon, and I will have that linked below. It's also in my Amazon storefront, which will be linked as well. So the template helped me to also center the gallery wall light, which was helpful. And then afterwards, once I got the gallery wall light up, the template actually has a section so that you know where to put your screws. So now you just see me kind of going in and making holes into the wall using the screws. I would then take the template off and then go back in and actually screw the holes in the wall. And then the last step is just to put the frames up and to make sure that everything is even. And that's it. This was just super, super easy. Love the fact it was so unexpected, but I'm glad that this came with a template. And so this is the progress that we're making. So again, the guide that it came with was super, super helpful. This gallery wall light, I have it all over my house. Like at this point, this company need to run me a check because of how many. I might have like almost 20 at this point all over my house. But I really think that the kit that I got was perfect for this space. And now I'm thinking about putting the console table that I just created
under here in the wall, but I'm gonna wait to do that, and that will be one of the last steps that I do. I'm gonna finish the entire hallway first and then add that here. But now let's go ahead, print some photos and finish this up. And that is it for this video. This was just such a quick and easy project. This is only the first phase of a multi-phase project to get this hallway together. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.